so good. This tastes so good. Hey, you guys. I am out here at TJ Maxx today, just trying to see if I can pick up some last minute Christmas decorations. You know, I have decorations, but I haven't updated anything in a few years, you know what I mean? So I'm just saying, let me get a couple of things in just to get a couple of things, you know, to add to until I really go shopping, you know? So that's what I'm doing there, just in here, looking to see if I can find a great deal, of course. But yeah, so Mom is in here with me. Ray went to his GameStop. Mama over here looking out spiffy. And tomorrow we're going to pick up my auntie. Hey, Mama. Look at her. So I'm in here trying to shop, pick up some little things. If I see any, some little things for Kaylee. Oh, this looks just like. I found a couple of little things that I am interested in getting. I think I like these right here. I'll be finished completely with my decorations. So, but you know, I was sitting there looking, I said, I have all the same decorations and I pick up the same things. I'm a creature of habit, but that's okay because I really do like, I like having, oh, this is so cute. Not that. I thought this was cute. Oh, that's these little Christmas apron. I really need to get me an apron. I don't have an apron. I think I need one. I hear my mom calling me through here. Stephanee. Let me see. Ma'am, you calling me? I lost a whole bunch of ornaments over there. Anyway, let me go ahead and I'll see you guys in a few. I need to pick up a couple of more things, but I'm tired. I got off late. It is late, and I'll see y'all later. So I want to also show you some of my decorations. This is an old wreath that I just redid, but I need to buy a new one. But I want to show you some of my Christmas decorations that I started on in my house. So let me just take you along. So when you first come in, I have my decorations going on my rail, and this actually lights up, okay? This lights up, and then I have the little wreath on the door. See, I've had some of these decorations for so many years, it makes no sense. And then over here on my wine bar area, I have just a little bit of decoration going on. I wanted to maybe put some little cotton up here, make it look like snow or whatever. But anyway. Then there's my curtains that I hung. And these curtains are like very velvety. I'll put the link to it. I think they're like 105 the length wise, you know, the length. I'll put everything in the description box if you want to click on them. And this is my decorations, okay? This is how I've decorated my table this year. So I have this little glittery plate on top of this plate and this. I really do need to go and get some more, you know, napkins and things. These are just products I'm using the same as I did for a couple of years ago, but, you know, I like it. And these are some Christmas glasses that my mom bought for me. And I'm just using these on the table this year. And I think that looks very pretty. I just purchased these things that you just saw in TJ Maxx. And I just put it together. Made a little centerpiece. Thought it was super cute. And my Christmas tree, of course. I stick with the same red, classic red, gold, silver colors. This is just the classic. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And this is the little fur tree skirt. I've tried to vacuum it so many times, but you know what? I guess the snow is just gonna keep falling, so it's all right. You know, the artificial snow on it. So I guess I'm just gonna leave it like it is. And I purchased this the other day from TJ Maxx, the other night actually. And I love this wreath, and it lights up. I'm gonna show you. Let me see, it lights up. Let me see if I can go ahead and cut it on. Give me a, let's see, hold on. Let's see if we can cut it on. Here is the other wreath right here. I bought this from TJ Maxx as well. I really like this door wreath. It's right here to the garage door. I love that, you know. So, and also the wreath over here. I like these little door hanger wreaths. I think they're really, really super cute and super festive. So yeah, I love that classic red. And there go my little doormat right here of the Grinch. I purchased this from Amazon too. I'll put a link there just in case. So then when you come upstairs, I really don't have too much. I have this tree that lights up. I'm still working on decorating this one. I put the wreath on my little door. That looks a little off, but you know. And then down the hall, in the hall right near my office, we have another little Christmas tree just sitting up here. I think it's really cute. So I'm gonna show you everything at night view.